Just about to paint the bottom of the boat because we go back in the water in a couple of days. And Magnus is masking up the line.
So you want to cut in?
Yeah, sure. Isn't that beautiful? I do love working with paint. It's been a while. So far, so good. How's it going?
Good, apart from these no-see-ums and mozzies.
It looks so
Everything else
fancy.
is perfect.
It's going on easily. There, look at that. They're sprouting, day 2.
It's our last day in, where are we again? Puerto Madero. And so I've taken Wendy out for
Slap up dinner.
slap-up dinner. Same place I took you for Valentine's actually.
It is.
So it's our last night here and we thought we'd enjoy it. And this place is pretty good. They've already brought out the condiments,
Yeah, we love
which is
the
also
condiments.
always nice. And we've got a couple of cold ales. So let's see how the tacos are, because we do love our tacos. Cheers. That's where we are. It's the wet season, it's just raining a bit. We're the only ones here at this joint. And yeah, it's pretty cool. We've been here quite a few times. Love it. So you got a bit sunburned today, Wen?
Yeah, because I was working really hard painting the bottom of the boat.
You did a good job too.
Didn't put any sunscreen on.
And no hat.
Which is, well, I didn't want to ruin my hat.
Just a sarong.
Yeah, because I don't have any painting clothes here. So it's done now, and we go in the water tomorrow, which is very exciting because we are in a sailboat, and a sailboat is supposed to be in the water, not on the hard.
So it's been a while since I've had a taco. And these are gorgeous here.
Stunning.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, good. When? How is it?
Oh, it's hot.
Big day today. Nutshell goes back in the water. So no more staying in a very noisy hotel room. It'd be nice to stay back on board tonight. Yeah, she's going to go in the water in a couple of hours and be back on home. Be lovely. Here comes the crane. Like a big giant lump of steel eating up a yacht.
What's going on, babe?
Just removing the topping lid.
Because we're going on the lift. We're going to go back in the water. Getting ready to go on the lift.
They've got to put some packing under the strap so it doesn't rub on the anti-fouls without it. Easy plastic.
Time's come. She's all ready to go. Tight fit.
Check if everything is okay.
Yeah, I've checked. All bilges are good.
Everything good?
I'll double check.
Yeah, please.
All good?
Good?
Good.
Everything good?
Yep.
So, Captain, how does it feel?
Pretty good.
Back in the water?
It's
So far,
spook-
no problems?
A bit spooky.
Spooky, yeah, I
Yeah.
guess.
I forgot how long she is.
Yeah. Now I've got to go and put her in a pen.
Yeah.
Looks like that's our spot, just down the end there.
I'm just taking out more stuff out of the boat. More, more housekeeping. This is just in the bilge. Unbelievable. There's so much stuff still. Anyway, in I go. Think you'll fit? No. My guts are too big. What I came in here for was this. I found it. It's the radar cable. We're putting a new radar. Putting a new radar in tomorrow. I'm sending Wendy up the mast. The voltage is going to not be a big winch. Anyway, start.
See this unsightly cable here? That is going to come out. And I believe these cables are going to be rerouted. And are you getting rid of the box altogether?
Don't know yet.
Not sure about that little box
Not
there.
sure.
That one. Will she stay or will she go? We'll see.
Will she stay or will she go now?
Another one coming out. Yes. Gonna have a tidy galley. Doing lots of housekeepings.
Gonna make the boat a lot lighter.
Here they go. So much tidier. What's the white one?
Solar panel. These got terminals on the end, so they're a bit harder to get through. The old jiggle and twist. Now they come.
Sorted.
I'm going to pull them all the way through,
Yeah.
down to there. So they go under the boat, around here, around there, and up under this seat. The one I'm pulling. And the next one.
Cup of tea and some bickies. Just got those ones out. Now there's a little pile of tables next to Marinus.
We're getting there.
So tidying it up.
Housekeepings. Right, Philip's head. Can you pass me Philip's head up there, please?
Sure. Is this control central?
Well, I've got to clean this cupboard out. If I can get this shelf out,
Okay.
I'll give it a good clean out, tidy up, and then this is where it's going to house all the electronics in here.
Hey babe. Where are you?
I'm in my favourite little spot in the lazarette. I
But
do some of my best work.
this cabin is all cleaned out now.
I'm taking the autopilot actuator unit out because I've got a clutch to fix on it. Then I'm taking out the HF ATU, which is an antenna tuning unit, because I've got a new one to put in. Then I'm taking out all the water making stuff that the fella half finished, because I don't know why he put it in here, because to change a filter, just to change a filter you got to climb in here, because filters are there. So anyway, got a bit of work to do coming up in the next couple of weeks. Today's just day one.
Where are you going?
I'm going in.
You going in?
Going into the lazarette. Oh, I hate the lazarette. There's all sharp things in here. I hate the lazarette. Oh, the lazarette crawler.
My job is to pull these two. And Magnus is going to attach a yellow mouse to the end of one of them. Here we go.
Thick one.
Thick one, coming. It's not budging. Do you want me to pull harder?
Yeah.
Here it comes. All the way?
Yeah. All the way.
Got it.
Santa Fe, baby.
You want me to pull?
Please.
Is that the right one? It's got stuck. I'm going to keep pulling.
Yep.
And again.
A bit more.
I don't want to break the mouse off. It's got stuck again.
Yeah, stop. Try again. Yellow?
Yeah,
Here you go.
I've got the yellow.
Here you go. Here you go.
Yep.
Right.
Stop now.
Thank you.
Okay. Mission accomplished.